In this video, we're going to use stitches that I used for this project, Cable Dickie. The stitches are T6L, twist 6 left, and T6R, twist 6 right. T6R, twist 6 right. We will be working with 6 stitches. So these are the 6 stitches we will be working with. You will need a cable needle. We are going to slip 4 stitches onto the cable needle and hold it in the back of the work, so in the back. Next 2 stitches are going to be just knit. So we're knitting 2 stitches off of the left circular needle, just regular knit, knit 1, and then knit 1 more. And now we are ready to work with stitches on the cable needle. So purl 2 stitches, purl, another purl, knit 2 stitches, knit, and then 1 more knit, and we're done. We just worked the 6 stitches. Let's say you don't have a cable needle. You can use an extra set of circulars, and they don't even have to be the same size. Any even smaller size will work. So you would basically do same thing. You will transfer the 4 stitches onto the onto the circular needle instead of the cable needle. And they will just sit there. And then when you're ready to work with them, you just pull the needle so that the stitches get pushed to the other end. And let's say you don't even have a circular. You can simply use your finger to hold the stitches. So we have 4 stitches, and it does take a little bit of getting used to. So 4 stitches you're holding on your index finger. So knit 2 stitches off of the left hand needle, knit, another knit, and then now we need to work the 4 stitches that are being held on my finger. So you can either work off directly your finger, but I feel it's just a little bit more comfortable working off the needle. So you can transfer the stitches onto your your circular needle, and you keep working. So purl, 1 more purl, knit, and then 1 more knit. Okay, we are done with T6R. We will be working with 6 stitches again, so use the cable needle to slip 3 stitches on it and hold in front of the work. So 3 stitches we are holding on the cable needle in front of the work. Then knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and now we are going to work the stitches off of the cable needle. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Let's say you don't have a cable needle, so you can use your finger to hold the stitches. So we're working with 6 stitches. Slip 3 stitches onto your finger. Since we'll be holding in front of the work, I'm going to use my thumb. So 3 stitches are on my thumb, and I'm going to be working with stitches on my left hand needle. So knit 1, purl 1, and knit 1. Now you can either work off directly from your thumb, or you can simply transfer the stitches onto the circular needle. And then you do knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. And we're done. So the 6 stitches that we just worked. 6.